Is it interesting how an egg can not only be an egg as a food thing, you know, the white thing with the yellow thing inside, but it can also be a chicken and then it's meat. Yeah? So it can be vegetarian, but it can also be non-vegetarian. Think about it. So when I have a egg sandwich, in some way this could have been a chicken sandwich. What? In some way it is a chicken sandwich. What? So when I eat a vegetarian egg sandwich, in some way it is not vegetarian. Because I mean this could have been a chicken. What? Oh my god. What? Okay, last bite. Wow. But like that's just like... An egg can be anything. An egg can be so many things. But an egg maybe cannot be all these things at the same time. So, me being a phoenix, maybe I don't have to be too many things at the same time. Maybe it's okay if I'm only one thing at the same time. What? That's some deep shit, bro.